This is an update on a previous video from about 12 months ago regarding leg spasms, no muscles. That my son didn't have muscle tone in the legs, and he also had a lot of spasticity behind this knee. Look at it now. I can press, I can massage it, I can do a hell of a lot more than I used to be able to do with these legs. They don't kick back as much. You can see the massage machine working on the thighs and the backs and the thighs here. And then when I change it from that side to this side, it does the same. You can push the machine right in to do both inner thighs together, but you must use a sort of blanket for your tic-tacs between your legs. He's got more muscle tone. His legs have grown. It's unbelievable that a machine can do this, because we've had no help from OTs, because he hasn't been to hospital. He still hasn't been out after 16 months yet, and that's due to not having a car. We're waiting for that to come back from the workshops. But we wanted to do an update. Ben mentioned it this morning, because look at the size of the legs. The legs have actually grown, and they've got muscle in them. And I mean muscle. And he's got no spasticity on the backs of his knees at all. There's nothing there. The right leg obviously has grown bigger than the left leg. So I do more exercises with the left leg due to obviously trying to build up more muscle tone. And this is part of his everyday routine now. He has 1 hour of exercise. So he has 30 minutes. It's normally 10, 10 and 10. So it's 10 here, 10 behind, and then 10 behind the legs. And this has so worked. It's unbelievable how much it has worked. I didn't know it would work like that, because it's just a heated massage cushion. And as you can see, it does massage the actual legs, which is absolutely fantastic. This is a pressure mark from years and years ago. The only thing I would advise is to put like a blanket in between, like here, so there's no friction. And normally I push a little blanket down there well, it's tucked underneath at the moment, to make sure he doesn't get any pressure marks from this, because it is a warm cushion, and the heat that has been working on these legs now for a good year and a bit, probably 13, 14 months. It's just fantastic. I used to have to actually even buy new underpants because they didn't fit him, new trousers because he's grown, and we've got the upper body to work as well, which we retrained his brain in getting himself out of bed, and now he assists himself on a banana board, and he couldn't do that either before. So I just thought we'd put this video out today just to show people that the legs do work with a massage pillow, and his legs stay lovely when they're in the wheelchair, when he's up and about, and his legs, they don't slip off the wheelchair no more. There's so many benefits to this. I do make my own creams, and I put creams on these legs to help with these spasms. One's the chamomile oil. I would recommend that to anybody. I mean, I make it myself. This is Ben's therapy from now on. And when we do get to see an OT, I believe that he'll be ready for an exercise bike, which there's no way, because of the tendons in the back of the ear, there's no way I would have been able to go on it before. I couldn't give them a rubber tool. You know, it's just perfect the way the spasticity has actually gone. And I did not expect that at all. So anybody out there that is dubious at using a machine on your child, son, daughter, mother, father, grandfather, whoever, I would suggest to use it. It absolutely is a brilliant little piece of machine. It's off Amazon. I think it was £34.99, and it was worth every penny. And I will measure the legs and see the measurements of these legs. But we know they've gone bigger because his trousers don't fit, his tracksuits don't fit, and his upper body, like I said, I'll do a video on his upper body, on him transferring eventually, just to show that he couldn't do it before and now he's doing it. And that was kind of retraining the brain at the same time. But the legs are absolutely beautiful, honestly. It's the most amazing. It's heat-proof, I'll show you. Heat-proof, it's not heat-proof, it's heated. I'll just show you under the pillowcase. Sorry, I have to use a pillowcase because you don't want to burn anybody's skin. And that's the heat that goes onto the skin and helps massage, blood flow. And that's another thing, blood flow. Wow, wow, wow. We don't get purple. We used to have purple kind of up the legs more. There's none of that. And we used to have purple feet as well. That's an old pressure sore from when he was young. And we've not even got anything wrong right now. They're just perfect legs, honestly. So I recommend this to anybody out there. But if you are going to buy one, please start off doing it because people aren't used to it. Obviously, my son wasn't used to this, so I had to do it in 5-10 minute sessions to start with before I built it up to an hour. So yeah, good luck to each and every one of you, but trust me, it is working and it's worked perfect now. And we'll give you an update maybe when we get to see the hospital. We never know. And the OTs again. Good luck.